ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಕಾಂಡ ಆತನ ಆಚಿ 37 ಯಾನ್ ಇನಿ ಬೈದ ಡೆಕಟ್ಲಾನ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ನಂಚಿನ ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ರೈಡ್ 2025 ಸೊ ಒಂಜಿ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಲ್ಪದ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಜಾರ್ ಮುಲ್ತುರ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸುರತ್ ಕಾಲ್ ತನಕ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಪೋಯರಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ 76th ರಿಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಬಲೆ ಹೋಯ್
First of all, thank you for everyone to join our Republic Ride also. 76th Republic Ride. Expecting less members also. The group also showing very less members, but actually more I get almost 12 members is there. First of all, thank you all. That's the main thing. So long back again we start the ride. Just 1.5 year, 1 year at least I think. Ride is continually stop, so many issues happens. When we start again Sunday ride also, expecting for everyone and join one ride also. This time we are my manager also asking, see if you long back you start the ride, no one is coming. Until I expect in Mangalore, say we are long back to do that much different ride also. Small 20 above last time I think. If I'm not wrong. Saki is at that time. We expecting. So I little confused is that he's called. I wake up late only because at night time.
What happened? Like one day he was late, like that. So that's what.
It's one inventory is that only we late. Almost 3 o'clock I'll join my room. Store also. That is very late. Okay. Thank you all.
76th Republic Day.